Hello guys, today I am playing the Battle Cats. This time I am playing on my new account. Well, not my new account, my old account. That was my new account. I lost that account, so then I just had to transfer to this. So yeah, my friend stole it. Play. I'm going to be doing legend stages. And yeah, what should I do? Well, ooh, Legend Quest is open. Okay, let's try Legend Quest. So I have 50 crowns. Okay, let's do this. Whoa, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot that it mixes that up. I thought that was Heavenly Tower. Okay. I might be cooked because I have like 196 different cats. Okay, all I have to do is just spam it. Michael Jackson! The Michael Jackson cat. No, I didn't get it sent out. Wait, how many do I have? I have 90 hours. No, I had 189. Okay. Let's go back to Legend Quest. And let's play Legend Quest. Oh gosh. So at least we got Geometry and Rodeo. And we gotta keep Phonoa, so that's also pretty good. Okay, so I just got all these normal things. Oh my gosh! Now we got Phonoa out. Okay, let's go. I got a treasure radar. Those are actually super good. Okay, let's go. Legend Quest. Level 3. Oh, let's go. We kept the 3 best ones. And we also got that, what's it called? Corrupt Psycho Cat, I'm pretty sure. We also kept that. Let's go. Isn't it called? Yeah, Corrupted Psycho Cat. Let's get Pizza Cat, Can Cat, Corrupt Psycho. Okay, what's this? Totem Cat. Oh. Well, we won. And dropped some bricks. Okay, now let's go back. Wait, what enemies are in here? Yeah, I don't have to really get that much help. I don't really need to change my thing at that much. Nope. We got these, but... Oh, we got hula hoop. Let's go, we got the hula hoop one. This one kind of sucks, to be honest. This one is kind of good. Martial legs is sort of good, I guess. My least favorite part about this is that, like, I didn't even see my legend rare in there. Let's go. I'm not joking. This guy has like, this guy is literally like the second slowest cat in the game. Only behind, there's this one cat that like literally doesn't move at all. I'll show you. It is, where are they? I'm pretty sure I have them. Right here. Paragon cat. They do not move at all. It's actually crazy. It does not move at all. Okay, well. Let's go back to Legend Quest. Level 5. Okay. I forgot to check this out, but at least we have ramen. We have Yukimura. And then we also have Bahamut. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, Yukimura. Bruh. Coin. 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 Coin, bam, bam. Another coin, 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 coin. That's not a coin, 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 coin. Okay. Okay. We're going up against a person that eats ants. This might actually be the best one that we got. We got all good ones except for you, Tomboy Lion Cat. The only one inside the secret crush thing that I could not get the second form of. What's in that? Sniper the Deadeye, right? Isn't that what it's called? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm cooked if I have any medals in, if there are any medals in here. Oh shoot. I'll try to do it. If your Catasaurus gets kicked out, he got kicked out. No crits, 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 no crits. Oh shoot. Okay. Do you have anything that hits that hits like a lot? Because if we get that, then we are able to do it. Let's go. Let's go. We got our legend rare out. It's so slow, though. He almost never does anything. But when he does do stuff, he hits hard. What is he the best? Oh, yeah, he's one of the best zombie killers, though. I'm pretty sure he is the best zombie killer. Bam, bam, bam. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Okay. Level 7. What about level 6? 6, 7. That is so cringe. I should not have said that. Okay, come on. Bro literally hasn't moved like an inch. He's like moved about the speed. Chill Cat moves in like 13 seconds. I don't understand why the dude's so slow. It takes him more. Oh my gosh. By the time that he reaches halfway through. Oh! He did his hit. Dude, we're almost gonna have to send him out again. Two of them is absolutely insane. Wait, does this have Omni? Dang it. Okay. Okay, come on. It makes sense that they're so slow. Look at how big they are. But can't they have like a... They could have like a billion attacks. They could have that. They could throw food at them. They could drive a helicopter and just throw shirts at them. Like, bro, do they really have to just slowly get over there? I'm gonna get something to help it. Because... Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Shoot, shoot! Okay, I'm locked in. We can't even attack them. Shoot! If only we had Phonoa and Awakened Bahamut and any actually good cat. Okay, we still have to beat it. Cole. Are you serious? Okay. Wait, am I able to gamble? Gamble. Gamble on the Colossus Busters. Apple Cat, let's go. A level 40 Apple Cat is insane. Not upgrade. Start. Legend Quest. What should I do? Should I just continue doing this? I'll end this video right here. I have 43 crowns. I feel like I'm gonna be doing the rest of these. I'll be continuing to do like this little mini series daily for 9 days until I'm able to get as far as I possibly can. Until I don't have any more crowns left, that type of stuff. So yeah. Also might do some cool Thanksgiving stuff. So yeah. Just get storage. Use all of this, yes. And then put trade for ticket. Bam, I have one rare ticket. I'll do this on Wave Busters. Let's go. Let's go gambling. What is this one again? Oh yeah, Dread Pirate Cali. Let's go. I got rid of it. Now I'm going to do just a couple of talents. So I have 41. Are you serious? I can get defense buff. No. Those just are dumb. How about iCat? The resist. May remember, I tried to make Ramen Cat become like insanely OP against like everything. So yes, let me upgrade like everything to be insanely OP. Resist slow. Resist slow. Resist slow. There we go. Now upgrade. I might as well just upgrade some stuff. They're like less than level 10. Just allow me to get their extra forms. Let's just go. Bam, so I don't have to worry about the rest. I gotta get my stuff up. No. I gotta get my user rank up. So I'm just gonna be doing this. Let's go. I actually give credits to people that aren't lazy and don't just steal other people's ideas. Come on, I'm just trying to upgrade my thing. There we go. There we go. I can't upgrade anymore. I'm out of stuff, so guys, like and subscribe, or else this little cat will eat you just again. There's a custom animation for it. Wait. There's a special animation for this. I'm pretty sure. Wait. Isn't there a custom animation? Isn't there a custom animation? There isn't? I watched a YouTuber and they showed that there's a custom animation. I'm going to show my code now. I'm just kidding. What is this? Oh well, I guess he doesn't have a special animation. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Bye bye.